Have you ever wondered how clever chimpanzees are? Well, today we tell you. If you're used to following us on our social media, you'll have seen Loro Parque's strong commitment to animal welfare. Part of this commitment is achieved through environmental enrichment programs. A large part of the enrichment that we do every day can be seen from the public's view. But our commitment doesn't stop here, it goes much further. And 24 hours a day, we have to be thinking about giving the best to our animals. That's why we also use part of these devices in the large interior bedrooms. In this case, we would like to present you this puzzle box, where the animals have to develop a series of tools that they make themselves in order to obtain certain foods that we introduce to them in this box. The carers will introduce the food through some holes in the top where they don't have access, and to get the food, they'll have to use their tools and move the food through these slits. This is not just a matter of passing the food through the holes, but in many cases they'll have to activate certain mechanisms to keep the food moving, something that will favor or stimulate their mental capacities. And it is something that will last them a long time. And one of the main objectives of this enrichment is to keep them psychologically and physically active. These environmental enrichment devices are not simply toys made to entertain them, but pursue clear and concise objectives so that the animals can develop their natural behaviors. In fact, this environmental enrichment aims to help chimpanzees develop these tools and be psychologically motivated. Something that happens in the natural environment when they use tools to forage and to get certain foods. With the images that we're showing you, even we, the team of caretakers, have been amazed at the great capacities and abilities that chimpanzees have. That patience, that team collaboration, and the ability to make the tools. And these images reaffirm to us the great capacities that chimpanzees have.